Good morning and good morning to Nadula Hair only. Story time! I was scrolling on Instagram, minding my business. I was scrolling on Amazon, minding my business. And in the midst of me minding my business on Amazon, I came across a $15 wig. The wig was $15. I was amazed and behooved by the fact that $15 and human hair were in the same sentence. Okay. So I went ahead and I sent the link to my cousins. I'm like, oh my gosh, the hair is $15. Can you believe that? So then my cousin is like, what are you talking about? This says 100 and something change, like almost $200. And I'm like, no, 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 no. It says $15, $15.99. Lo and behold, I got special pricing. I don't know why, who went, when, where, and how, but the $15, the $15.99 was exclusive for me that day. And I just wanted to share the love with my cousin. So I told him, hey, you know what? I'll buy the wigs. You just send me the money later. And here we are, Nadula Hair. Okay, so I have seen advertisements of this wig from other influencers and even just scrolling through Amazon, but I never cared to actually try it out myself. And I did the $15 being a sign that, Mangie, you need to try this hair and you need to review it, okay? And if you don't believe me, here is the receipt. Here is the screenshot of the time that I actually saw the pricing. And I don't know if it was a mistake. I don't know if somebody's gonna get fired after this video, but I'm just happy to have been there at the right time at the right click. Okay, so let's get into this wig. Now this is supposed to be a 20-inch 7x5 no knots glueless closure wig. Okay, and this is in the style Burmese curly. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair and see if it's really worth the hype. But let me just show you guys what it actually looks like. Okay, packaging. Listen, for 20 inches, you could not go wrong. Okay, so you see you have like the curls at the end like this, and this is the hairline. Not bad, not bad. Okay, it is giving scalp. And all right, so it comes with this as a band, which I think might be the answer to all of my problems when it comes to bands, because this one is actually the band for the wig. So I'm expecting a super snug, tight fit, and it does come with another elastic pull string, so, and clips. So this is going to be a very secure wig. Now it is pre-bleached. Okay, pre-bleached, $15.99, 20-inch Burmese curly. You cannot go wrong. Like, I am literally talking to you guys before, no, I'm lying, I'm literally talking to you guys after I brush my teeth because I just couldn't wait to try this hair out. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, and I will go ahead and also customize it with some spray because I need my scalp to match. Wash my own hair, braid it up, and I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys and show you the final results. Okay, so stay with me, stay tuned, and we shall see you in the next couple of hours.
So for this part, I used my Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. Yes, I use Olaplex on my wigs. I don't use it on my real hair. We have a love-hate relationship over here. It works well on my wigs, but just not on my hair. Look at that cuticle. Look at that quality in that wig. Do you see this?
So this is the hair. I'm gonna put it on and see how well it fits. Okay. So this is it in its long, wet state. Now, if you know me, you know that I love me some layers and some volume. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give her just a slight snip, like because I like my hair to be nicely framed. Do that with the second batch like this. Just try to keep it as light as possible. We're not going to cut off too much because we don't want it to be short. I'll come back when my hair has nothing but volume in it. I do have to get going. I will show you guys the finished product once I get back in the house. This is the final look. 20 inches, 15 macaroons. I mean, did I get a steal or what? Did I get a steal or what? Tell me what you think about my $15.99 wig in the comments below. If you're feeling this wig and you would like to get your hands on it, unfortunately, there is no $15 price tag to this wig at this point, but you still get a chance to rock this beautiful hair. 20 inches. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video from start to finish. Make sure you like this video and you comment because your girl is back and she is not letting up. Okay?